Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our new video. So guys, there is an important update and information for CMA intermediate student for upcoming December 21 examination and June 2022 examination. CMA Institute soon release the, you can say that upcoming batch, a new batch for SAP, Microsoft e-filing or Cambridge. So those students yet did not complete and want to pursue the SAP training, so definitely you can enroll yourself. Institute has, you can say, they started mailing to students. They are now collecting the data and they will make a separate batch for those students. So my humble request to you, if you yet did not receive the mail and if you want to pursue this training, so mail to skilltraining@icmai skilltraining@icmai.in with your credentials like your name, registration number, date of birth, your mail ID, your contact number. And yes, soon you will also receive mail from Institute. So one of our student received and he shared me in the Telegram channel. So I am sharing with you so that you will also get the information. Shubham is the student. Okay. Hi, Shubham. This is an automatic message from the Nergy 360 registration system. Welcome to Nergy 360 platform. Okay. From Nergy 360, you can also start whenever the, you can say training start. Although yet Institute not disclose the date or timing of this upcoming SAP batch. You are receiving this email as a part of employability's techno skill training for CMA intermediate student of the Institute of Cost Accountant of India. You will receive a schedule for online skill training session soon from the institute, which is mandatory to attend. This is the mandatory. Okay. Please understand, for December 21 examination, all training is exempt. But if any student want to pursue this, so you can watch. But my suggestion to you, focus only on your study. As of now, time is very less. But if any student want to pursue, so he can, the candidate can join. But this is, you can say that benefited for June 2021 22 students. After completing the online skill training session successfully, you become eligible to appear in the online skill training assessment exam. Okay. So after this training, you have to give a online assessment test. Okay, from Nergy 360 itself, and then you will receive the certificate. Please use the below link. From the below link or from Nergy 360, you can start your training session. Navigate to our platform website. Then use the provided login credentials like your login email or login password. So if you are a June 2021 22 student who want to pursue this training, so if you yet did not receive this mail to skilltraining@icmi.in and definitely Institute will provide you relief. So do not worry. Okay. So this is, you can say, information which I have received from a CMA intermediate student. I am sharing so that everyone who are unaware of this update, so they also get the information. Okay. In this training, Institute will provide you SAP training, e-filing, Cambridge. Okay. So these Microsoft, these kind of training you will learn in this. And whenever Institute release that schedule or timetable, definitely I will update in this YouTube channel. And still, if you have any doubt, so clearly I'm saying that all training for December 21 exam, if still anyone want to pursue, pursue. But my suggestion to you, focus on your study. But this is beneficial for June 2022 students. Okay. So this is, you can say, from my side, the update for CMA intermediate student. After watching this video, you have any doubt or you have any, you want some clarification, in the comment section, you can ask me. Definitely, I will resolve your queries, your confusions, or your clarification. Okay. And if you find something good in this video, so please like this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Okay. In this YouTube channel, I am bringing live session to resolve all your queries. And you can say that all update notification in this YouTube channel I am bringing for all CMA students and the free lecture from foundation to till final. Okay. And still you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. From my side, guys, that's all about in this video. Bye, guys.